What's going on? What's going on, everybody? So today I'm going to show you how to close partials. I'm going to show you how to close partials, right? This simply means to secure part of your profits, right? And don't be scared. This is just a demo, okay? This is a demo account. So no income claims here, but I just want to make sure you guys know how to secure part of your profits and then keep the rest running, right? So I'm going to go ahead and close one of these. Let's say I'm going to close like half of one of these gold trades, okay? So if I want to do that, I can just simply swipe left, right? And this is for iPhone. This is for iPhone, right? I can swipe left, press the check mark, right? And then let's say I'm just going to secure half of it. So I'm going to leave a 2.50 lot left. I'm simply going to put 2.50 and close with profit, right? Press close with profit, and then my trade will close with 19,690 instead of the full, 30 something thousand that it was. And like I said, don't mind me. This is just a demo, which is why you don't see a stop loss or a take profit. You guys already know what it is. We trade properly. We trade with stop losses and take profits, which is why I love trading in my live, because I'm definitely more aware in my live of what I'm doing. So this is just an example. We're going to go ahead and close this with profit. And once you see that, now you see that trade that was 39,000, it is now 19,657, right? And that is how you close partials, family. You can close whatever amount you want, right? Let's say I wanted to close part of this other gold trade, and let's say I didn't want to close that much. Let's say I still wanted to leave a good bit of it out. Well, we're gonna put 0.50, right? Let's say I just want to close out with a half a standard lot. Cool, I can do that. 0.50, and it's gonna close just 0.50 of it, which is about 3,900. We close it, and it's gonna leave 4.50 left, guys. So that's how simple it is for you to secure profits, to secure partials, because honestly, that is what's going to help you in the long run when you're holding trades for a higher take profit. So there you go, family. That's how you take partials. If you have any more questions, definitely go ahead and ask, and I can explain more on that. Y'all have a beautiful day.